Weighing up to 800 kilos, massive Cape buffalo form super herds over 1,000 strong. Only Africa's largest predator can tackle buffalo. And even they know better than to attempt a herd. Highly aggressive, even unprovoked, buffalo will trample lions given the chance. With the temperature rising to over 50 degrees centigrade, an adult bull risks leaving the safety of the herd to find fresh grazing alone. Lions will normally avoid hunting in such heat. But they're also opportunists. The lions will need to bring him down quickly before they overheat.